Create the perfect size burger patty every time with the FAVIA burger press. This hamburger press is made from hard anodized aluminum and features a cross pattern that creates an evenly shaped patty. Place the minced meat into the center of the burger press and press down on the handle for a second to create an even patty. You can place the wax papers inside the mold before creating the patty, or you can use them after. Burger making is now so much easier with the FAVIA burger press.